Good day to all employers. I'm Vivian Berin Buyayo, 47 years of age. I was born on March 14, 1963. I graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy in Notre Dame of Marvel University, Philippines. I graduated as a Bachelor of Science in Nursing in Mindanao Medical Foundation College, Davao City, Philippines. And I graduated as a caregiver course program in Davao City, Philippines. My work of experience, I work abroad in Taiwan, Taipei as a caregiver taking care of elderly and child care. And I work also in Dubai, UAE as a private nurse or nanny or caregiving to a 8 months child and a 6 years old kid. As myself, I'm a workaholic mother. I'm a mother of 4 kids and a good team player with a great interpersonal skills. I am highly motivated with excellent work of ethics, fluency in English, I'm very smart, a trustworthy person, and a leadership in civic and cultural activities. I'm looking for a job in Hong Kong. My objective is I want to be a member of your family just to develop my knowledge and skills and contribute and be responsible as an employee. To find gainful employment in a home where my skills are needed. Thank you.